Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 9th, 2022. Basic attention token. Is it a buy? Look at the price. Look at what the market has already come from. Look at it. What do you all think about this market in BAT? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? What should you do? Don't worry about it. I got you. I'm going to show you all what my expectations are in the market for basic attention token. I'm going to show you where I'm looking for the price to go so that we can be in position and not be scared and profit in the move. I'll show you all this in a very unconfusing manner. So if you guys want to join me, hit the community up. This is what we're here for, to show you that you can do this without being confused, without being complex. It doesn't take a whole lot of research that so many people on YouTube try to get you all to think you got to do. It doesn't. The market is already speaking. And once you understand what it's saying, you actually can get in a position and win. So I want you all to join me in this journey as I continue to show you how this game is being played. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms to ensure you guys stay updated as to what I'm noticing on these price charts for these cryptocurrencies. Check this out. Basic attention token right here. I did a price prediction on this same channel. Go back and listen to it back in December the 15th, 2020. Yes. And it's still here on the chart. You guys can go back and listen. You guys can actually now see what I said in regards to basic attention token and see what the market has already shown us. Look at what happened. I was bullish into the market in BAT back then in December. 19.9%. It took us 3 days for us to see that price profitability. 19.9%. Now let's say you just completely forgot you had a position out in BAT, and here we are today. The market is trading around 92.5 cents. So look at that, 324% profitability right now from a price prediction that I talked about in December 2020, right? All the way up here at the high at $1.92 in BAT, that was 783% profitability without the confusion. That's done though. That's over. I need to come in and revamp and revise this chart because we got a lot more price history on this chart. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you all a question. I'm going to pose you all a question. I'm going to ask you this. Looking at this chart, right? Bear, nothing added. What do you think? Is the market bullish? Is the market strong? Is the market weak? Just looking at this, what we're seeing is actually everyone's biases as to what they thought about BAT at a particular time in the past. Some people thought the market was a buy last year. Some people thought it was a sell last year. This is the actual footprints of everyone who is interested in BAT. So what do you think? Is the majority of the market participants leaning towards being strong, or is the market leaning towards being weak? I'll let you know what I think. Because from what I'm seeing right now on this chart, the market is leaning a little bit more towards being strong. And let me show you why. Because this trend has been established here in the market in basic attention token that it wants to continue to go up. This is the trend right here, plain and simple. We already know going forward into perpetuity, it doesn't even matter. As long as the price stays above this ascending line, guess what? It's going to go up forever. So we have nothing to worry about so long as the price in BAT stays above this ascending line. Now you could go to sleep. This is what long-term investors need to do. This is what they need to show you. We could go to sleep now. We can just pack it up and move on, because as long as the price stays above this ascending line, guess what? You guys can see we're going to go up. Now, you guys can tell though that there are some areas that we may need to be concerned about, which is why I'm here. It's because we need to not only know when to jump into the market, you also need to know when to get out. Yeah, these people who are out here telling you to hold these cryptocurrencies for 10, 15 years, yeah, you can tell me that, but you're not giving me an exit. What price should I exit out the market in BAT? Let's see. Because there are areas here on this chart to which there are sellers. This is the closest one right there at $1. That is the closest spot that we can see the market in back get rejected and start to come back down in price. So since we already know that the market is majorly strong, as we see this price elevate up there towards $1, we need to be careful. Here's the second level, 110. That is the second level that we can see the market in back get rejected. So let's see. This is the price action for BAT on a 2-day time frame. What do y'all think? Is the market bullish? Is the market bearish? Just by looking at these price bars. Let's look at this on a 3-day. Is the market bullish? Is the market bearish in BAT? 5-day. You guys can already tell from a 5-day perspective that the price is already getting rejected at $1. See, the market is already dropping hints to show you what's actually going on. So in the initial stages of us trying to progress higher in the market in BAT, we might start off going down. Yeah. See this on the weekly. So I want you all to let me know. Two weeks. Three-hour chart. What do y'all think? Let's look at this on a 13-hour. What do y'all think? I'm thinking that the price in BAT is going to go up. That's what I'm thinking. Now, is it worth putting it on a position? You have to answer that question, because we may not have far to go before we see sellers enter the market in BAT, right? Like I said, that dollar threshold is a big contender that we can see the market in BAT get rejected, right? I can even see them around 95 cents. Right there. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to play some strength into the market in BAT. I'm going to look for the price to go up. First price target is going to be $1 though. Right, I'm not going to be overly extended because we understand that the sellers are still here and they're ready and willing to let go of their positions in BAT. And the first area that I'm seeing is around $1. Now, if we're able to see the market really overcome that particular price level, $1, the next level is going to be around $1.10. Okay, it's going to be around 17, almost 18% market movement higher. Now, I'm going to be bullish into the market for BAT so long as the price stays above this ascending line, right? So if price breaks 80 cents to the downside, I already know my price prediction is going to be wrong. I mean, I need to cut the play just to minimize those losses. The market is going to speak to us as time goes on so that we'll know exactly how to react to these price moves. Okay, so this is it right now. Two price targets, $1. And then the next area is going to be around like $1.10, maybe a little bit shorter than that. And that's about it. I'm done. You guys have seen, you guys have heard my thoughts about BAT, about where I think price is going to go. So now is your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Where do y'all see this market going? Yeah, your price prediction. Make it public. Show it to everybody to see if you can get it right. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.